Hey guys, if this video helps you out after watching it, please smash the special thanks button. That really helps support the channel. If you don't see the special thanks button, I think it's because you're not a subscriber, so please subscribe. Okay, let's get to that info that you need. Okay guys, I wasn't gonna make a video of this, but I think it might help somebody, so I'm gonna go ahead and make it. We did a video on a borescope that we ordered. When I ordered the borescope, they wanted to know if they had other tools, want to know if you wanted to add anything else with it. And I picked this up because I didn't have one. So this is actually the same company as the borescope. And so what this does is test brake fluid. So first thing I want to do is just jump on this like we did the other one so that if we ever need to go back, we could. And then there's pointers over here. You want to just read those real quick? These pointers are to tell you, you'll see when you get it if you decide to get one, but these pointers tell you what the percentage means. Go ahead.
If the value is 0 to 2%, the green black light is bright, then the fluid is good and you can keep using it. If the value is 2 to 3% and the light is yellow, then they're basically suggesting that you should change it soon. Now, if the value is 3% or greater and the light will turn red, they're suggesting you change it immediately. This basically detects metal materials or other materials inside your brake fluid.
Or water.
Or water, exactly,
yeah,
moisture.
Condensation. Okay, so I've got some .4 fluid here. I've just poured it in this lid, so we're gonna test it. So it had 2 AAA batteries. It goes in positive first, stack them on top of each other, and then clamp it down. So let's go ahead and turn it on and give us a rundown on what you're doing.
So yeah, you basically just hold the button for like a second and it'll beep, powers up. So as you said, we're gonna be doing .4. This thing actually reads .3, 4, and 5.1.
Okay.
And you just press this little button. There's only 2 buttons. So if you wanna switch it, .4, .5, and back to 3.
Gotcha, okay.
So we're gonna do 4.
Okay.
Got a little fluid right here. Let's see
yeah,
what she
and
says.
this should read good because this is brand new fluid.
That's it. And look at that, the light's green, and we're reading 1.4%. It just dropped back down.
What did it say about 1.4?
So we want to be between 0 and 2%.
That's good fluid.
So that's good fluid.
Hey, the Jeep that we did the borescope on.
Oh, yeah.
Let's check it real quick. So this one, you'll have to change that setting, right? Because this is not .4.
.3.
This one's .3. So now I'm real curious because this hasn't been changed in a while.
So just press the button again a couple times, back to .3.
.3, okay.
And you just put the tip right in the fluid. So that's showing up yellow. I'm at 2.5 and it's fluctuating. So that's
2.5. You said anything over 2 is recommended to change.
Exactly.
So this one's due to be changed. It's not bad, but it's due to be changed.
Exactly.
All right, well, I'm kind of glad that we got that now. I think we'll use it more often here, especially in this little shop where we're doing the lube, oil, and filters. So I hope this video helps you out. If you want this, I'll put a link in the description below. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.